and I'm going to do a subtraction problem, and here's the directions. Student A and student B have an attempt to solve the problem below. One of the solution is correct, one is incorrect.
Okay, so we have student A, student B, and which student had the correct answer?
Student A.
Okay. All right, and then let's read that second part together.
What common
What common misconception did the other student make? We talked about a misconception this morning. What does that mean? What's a misconception?
Well, something like a little mistake, or something like a little bit mistake.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely part of it, right? Conception is an idea. Miss means there's something wrong with that idea. Can you explain what is the misconception that student B had?
Well, he switched the numbers for like 6 minus 9. You can't do that. And 8 minus 9, you can't do it.
Yeah, if you do that, if you have 8 and you subtract 9,
it doesn't really make sense.
Doesn't make sense. You end up with we haven't really talked about this, but you end up with a negative number.
Negative, yeah.
Yep, and we can't have negative numbers in this digit. So, you want to explain a little bit how he got the answer, or she?
He did 9 minus 8, so that equals 1. 90 minus 60, which equals 30, correct? And 500 minus 200 equals 300.
And then
he added them up, so 300 plus 30 plus 1 equals 331.
Okay, so yeah, I see what you're saying. He took that 8 and that 9 and just kind of flipped it. All right. Let's go down to 4. I see that you solved this problem another way. Can you tell us how you solved it?
So I added 299 to 568. So
Is that what you did? You added 299 to 568?
No, I added up.
You added up?
Yeah, added up.
Very nice. Okay, tell us about it.
So I did 299 plus 1 equals 300. I always go to the friendly number.
Okay, very nice. It's easy to work with in your head.
And then 300 plus 200 equals 500. And 500 plus 60 equals 560. And then 560 plus 8 equals 568, which you already got your answer.
Okay. So is 568 your answer? Or is that where you stop adding?
That's why I stopped. Okay.
Okay,
yeah,
so then how do you find your answer, Dean?
Well, when you look up here, these are the stuff that you added up to 568.
Ah, I see.
So, as over here, I added them up. So 200 plus 60 and plus 8 plus 1 equals 269.
Okay, very nice. And that's what student A got. So we haven't done a lot of this in group yet, but we're going to be doing this in the 3rd quarter. Question 3 asks, can you solve this problem mentally? So what we have been doing in our group, I'm going to borrow this pencil, we've been doing some estimation. Okay, remember we've been drawing these thought bubbles, okay? And the problem that we're trying to solve is 568 minus 299. So one of those numbers is really close to a friendly number.
I say 299. Just add 1 and you got 300.
Ah, okay. So here, I'm just going to record that here. So 299 plus 1 equals 300. So what we could say then, if we know that that's true, what if we had 568, and what if we subtracted 300? What would that be?
So I would subtract 500 minus the
Can you do that in your head?
Yeah. Wait, should I do it like in my head or draw it out?
Well, yeah, you do it. Can you do it mentally and write the answer?
Sure.
Will you do that? Very nice. You did that really quickly, so I know that you did it in your head. So if that's true, Dean, if 568 minus 300 is 268, then how much is 568 minus 299?
That would equal 269, but we added that one up, so it would be 269. Really close answer.
Really close answer. Why don't you go ahead and write that answer there? All right. Excellent work, Dean.
Thanks, Miss Upland.